Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have SteelSeries Arctis 7 Plus headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily check your battery percentage straight from your headphones. So, at first we have to turn on our headphones. Now to check our battery percentage we have to look at this LED light over here. If our battery light is green, it means that we have about between 50% or 100%. If our light is yellow, we have between 20% and 40%. If our light is red, it means that we are between 10% and 19%. If our light is red and is blinking fast, it means that we have from 9 to 1%. That's it, hope it helps you, goodbye!